have the Jeffree Star mystery box. I got the premium box, which was $60. I wanted the deluxe one, but I'm not gonna lie, I wanted Afterpay on it and they didn't have Afterpay until like 2 hours later. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna get the premium one. But the premium one was $60. It contains 4 items and is 3 exclusive items. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it was supposed to be $100 worth of items in there. I can't remember, and I can't see it on here, but there was basically 3 types of boxes, like the medium, the deluxe, and then the supreme. I have been dying to open this. I haven't looked at any sneak peeks or anything like that because I really just wanted to have like my genuine reaction. So let's go ahead and, okay, did I take all the tape off around the edges? Yeah, okay. Freaking A. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I can already tell I have a gloss and then like a little hoodie, is it? Okay, so first thing in here is this little hat, which to be honest with you, I live in Florida, so I probably won't get that much use out of it, but the little heart candies here on the side are super cute. They're like really on there, just super, super adorable. And let's just try this on for fun. So that is what it looks like. It's cute, it's cute. I don't think I'd get much use out of this because like I said, we don't really have that much cold weather here in Florida, but it's cute, it is adorable, so I'm not mad at it. Next thing that I see in here is a little pop socket. So I'm thinking that this is like one of the limited edition ones, I don't know. So this is cute. It has like a matte, just matte and pink. I don't think I'll put this on my phone. I might just give this away because to be honest with you, my phone is like Disney themed. So it doesn't go with it, but I think it's cute. And this is, I think, is one of the exclusive items as well because this came out with the Valentines collection right now. And then, ooh, it's Succulent, which is this pink. So let's go ahead and open this. I do love his glosses. I do own 2 of them. So let's see what this shade looks like and try it on. Okay, so oh, she is pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. So I think that this is exclusive to this because it does, like, it's supposed to be exclusive items. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that is pretty. Oh God, I love that. It's like pink and purple, and then it has like a blue shift, like a bluish purple shift to it. Oh, is that picking up? Oh, that is so beautiful. So it doesn't go with what I'm wearing, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit on top. And it does have like that vanilla candy smell to it. And I love his glosses. They're not sticky. They're really, really pretty. And yeah, that is pretty. Definitely like a beautiful topper or by itself. Really, really beautiful. And I love his packaging. I mean, it is so extra, but it's just so gorgeous all the time. So yeah, so this is like a limited edition shade, which I'm happy for because I was like, please don't let it be red, because I got one in the December box that was red and I was like, oh, I wish it was like pink or purple or something like that. So I got my wish and got a pink one. So this is really pretty, something super wearable. And then let's see, okay, this is just wrapping, and oh my God. Oh my God, don't tell me this is the Alien palette. Oh, look how cute the wrapping, the paper on here is. I am going to try to not break this because I want to take pictures of it with the paper. Is this the Alien palette? Oh my God. Yes, it is. I am so excited. Look how cute the packaging on this is. I know that he discontinued the Alien and the Thirsty, so a lot of people were like disappointed in that, but you know, as a brand owner, I guess, you know, you have to sometimes make room for stuff, but look how cool. The only thing about this is like how to store it. I'm not into when sometimes palettes have weird shapes like this because I want to be able to store them And I'll probably keep it in the box just so I can store it right side up. But look at the little eyes and everything. It's so cute. So let's see what the shades in here look like, because to be honest with you, the Alien palette wasn't one that I gravitated to. So it does have a mirror, and it just like folds back completely. So this is what it looks like right there. It does have like really cool shades in here. Wow. I was not expecting this whatsoever. And you know, it's so funny because me and my friend Julio, we were talking about like, and I was like, maybe he'll put like Thirsty or Alien in the boxes because, you know, he's discontinuing them, which, you know, some people might take that in a negative light, but either which way, it is a full-size palette. It is super cute. A lot of the shades in here I feel like are wearable. Like if you took out the purple and the green, I feel like, and even this like bright yellow, like a lot of these are very neutral and very beautiful. Look at this shade. This shade is so pretty. Look at that green. Ooh. And to be honest with you, Jeffree Star's formula is amazing. Amazing. Like I can't even tell you, like the blood sugar, the blue blood, all of them have just like knocked my socks off. His shimmers, his mattes, like homeboy goes for it. So I'm so excited to like play with this. Let me know if you guys want to look with this. I know I owe you guys a one with the blood sugar and with the blue blood. I need to start doing like get ready with me, like shop my stash, because I'm on a low buy and I'm trying not to buy like too much. So yeah, I'm so excited to have this. Let me know if you guys got this box, if you're excited, if you're like a little bit disappointed that he put something that he's discontinuing. I have to say I'm not mad at it. I think it's so cute. I'm a little afraid with this not having that much, you know, it only has that little thing on there that it might break off, but it's so cute. I will be storing it in the box just because it is gonna drive me nuts that it doesn't stand on its own. I don't think like, yeah, it will not stand on its own whatsoever, but this is so cute. Look, it's like I'm an alien. Hello. Okay, so let me stop being silly. This is super cute. I have to say I am not mad at this box whatsoever. $60. I definitely got my money's worth. This alone I think is like $50. I know it's discontinued, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people will start selling this on eBay and other places for people who want to get their hands on it, because a lot of people are collectors and want like every palette from a certain brand and things like that. So I'm not mad at it. I love it. I think it's super cute. Is it something that I would have purchased myself? No, but I'm not mad that it came in the mystery box because it kind of takes me out of my comfort zone. It is kind of funny, like the little shape of it and everything. And who's excited about Blood, is it Bloodlust, like the third palette? Holy crap, that one has a weird shape too, but homeboy just did his video and like sold me on it. Sold me. Nobody does a reveal video like Jeffree Star. I mean, he is to the 10th degree extra, and I am just there for it. So absolutely love this, love the box, love everything that came in it. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought of the box. Are you excited? Did you get the deluxe? Did you get the Supreme one? Which one did you get? Are you excited for everything that's in there? I hope that next time he allows for Afterpay for the bigger boxes, just because I don't ever want to drop like $100, $200 on a box like all at once. I'm just not that kind of person. I like to like spend wisely a lot of times, so just putting it out there. Hopefully they get their website in check and we can start getting Afterpay from the get-go, because I love some of the bigger boxes. Oh my God, like last time I was so excited and so happy that I got a bigger box. So let me know what your thoughts are. Are you happy if you got the same box as I did? Did you get anything different? I'd love to hear from you down below. The only thing that I would say that I'm not really gonna use, which I know I'm not gonna put on my phone, is the pop socket. But other than that, the gloss, the little beanie, The palette I'm so excited about. I'm so excited to put my fingers in it and play with it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are you happy? Are you not happy? Are you upset that they're discontinuing like the alien palette and he put it in here? I know some people are like, but I have to say I'm okay. Like as someone who loves makeup and is a makeup collector, I'm okay with him putting it in there. I was actually like hoping it was the thirsty one, but yeah, it's okay too. So let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear back from you guys, and definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Follow me on my social media. I've been trying to do like giveaways to give back to you guys on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.